band external rotation, you can use any type of exercise band. Here I have a 40-inch loop band that I'm going to double up so I can achieve the right resistance. When you do the external rotation, make sure that you work on control before you try to go for speed or use momentum. For this external rotation, I'm going to start with my palms up and the band just across my hands here. The length of the loop on either side will dictate the amount of tension that you feel. So remember, we don't want to start with any kind of slack in our band because then this move won't be as effective. So bring the hands close together so you have a little bit of tone in the band to start, and then take the thumbs out to either side, rotating at the shoulder, and feel that tension against the muscles on the back of your shoulder. The motion should be right here. Notice how my elbow stays right against the side of my body. We don't want to have the band moving around like this as we're doing this pull. We're really just creating a rotation just like this in the arm. But since our elbow is bent at 90 degrees, the motion is right here. For some, it can be helpful to think about a waiter holding a tray and offering it to different people. That's going to be external rotation, and that's going to work the muscles on the backside of the shoulder and in between the shoulder blades, helping you to achieve and maintain proper position for the upper back and for the shoulders. If you don't have a band, a simple way that you can do this without any load is to start standing and leaning over and then bring the arms out to the side. Now this will be not nearly as challenging, but as you lean over at the hips, make sure you keep the low back nice and flat, and this is a great way to also activate the muscles of the posterior chain. I've been seen to do this one as a warm-up when I don't have access to other equipment. If you want to, you can do it with lightweight dumbbells. Be careful on this one because these muscles can be overwhelmed pretty easily. Same idea, working for that rotation. Since I'm leaning over, I'm utilizing the load of the dumbbells against those muscles. If you do this one standing up, we're going to be training other muscles of the shoulder. So make sure you have some of that lean at the hips. And when you're leaned at the hips, keep the low back nice and flat so you stay safe.